Look at this dude. Playing cards. See him.
I was going to hit you.
That's cool.
Once we do it.
Snowmobile trail, railroad trail. This is a Jeep with metal wheels. Another Jeep with a front bucket.
It's really nice to have it.
There's our ride. That's our freaking ride. That's our iron Uber, if you will. Okay?
That's so cool. Are we going to be coming down backwards then?
I think so. Look at the train. What the?
My name is Mark. I will be your brakeman for this trip. Our engineer will be Nick over here. He'll be doing the operating. Two for momentum and two for braking. So the cog spins with a 4-inch teeth. They grab his pull, climb. Wheels are free to spin on along its axis. Ammonoosuc River. The Ammonoosuc River actually starts on top of Mount Monroe, that is right next to Mount Washington. So the lake up there carved out millions of years ago. So the water starts in the lake. So again, just come to the doorway. I'm on the platform. I can't have anybody on the platform as a train movement. So just come to the doorway. There's a moose. He's coming out of the woods. Area where he made his money in the meatpacking, pine trees, birch trees, and mountain ash trees. And the mountain ash trees are the trees with the berries on them. They come out. So I ask you guys to stay in your seats right now. I actually have to hand signal, take it to the platform. Now when you are walking around and you see me, if you have any
coming up. You want to wait there and take a picture of me? You want to wait there and take a picture of me? They switched our seats around. Now we're facing forward. Mickey?
We have an air hose for my air brakes. We have power for my bike, and then we actually have a cord for our heat. We have base cord heat in here. We decide as warm as the house. We did welding the frame for it. We already have the engine for it. It's going to be a 650 horsepower John Deere engine. And that'll be our diesel number 8. That was designed built right here. We have 8 coaches, the wheel, and then a chain pulls the brakes onto the axle when we stop. And that's what the first 2 coaches. We have a nice big goose head that you can check out.
Look at them go. Little footprints.
I'm only concerned with that railroad.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Heck no. Lovey. This is Fabian's, and I highly recommend. Oh, it's a video.
It's in a fancy day.
This place is located on the bottom of the hill, and look at that cheeseburger. Oh my goodness, here it goes. Oh, bye-bye.
Good? You're good. Water's very clear. It's beautiful. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.